If you're looking for a new way to make pecan pie, then you're not going to want to miss today's recipe. I'm showing you how to make mini pecan pies in mini muffin pans. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today it's all about pecan pie, mini pecan pies made in mini muffin pans. These are perfect for a party or for a dessert table for the holidays. They're so good and soft and sweet on the inside. It's a classic pecan pie recipe made in a mini muffin pan. You're gonna love them. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen.
When you make mini pies, you need to make mini crusts. So we're gonna start off with our pie crust, and I'm using a small round cookie cutter. For the mini pies, you want one that's about 2 to 2.5 inches diameter. You're going to cut circles, re-rolling the dough as needed. Now you can use a from scratch pie dough, or you can use one from the store. But either way, once you have your little circles, go ahead and press them into mini muffin pans that have been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. I like the kind with flour in it. You can also make these in regular size cupcake pans. Then to make your pecan pie filling, mix 2/3 of a cup of light Karo with 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of melted butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're just gonna whisk that together until it's nice and smooth. Once that mixture's all done, go ahead and chop up some pecans. You'll need a cup of chopped pecans. I like to chop them small because these mini pies are little, so you want smaller pieces of pecans. Go ahead and stir those into that mixture. And then we're gonna fill our pies. So you're gonna add about 1 tablespoon to the mini ones and about 1.5 tablespoons to the regular cupcake size. Once those are done, go ahead and bake them at 350.
And that's it. That's how easy it is to take my regular pecan pie recipe and turn it into a mini pecan pie. I absolutely love these. They're super simple and easy. They're bite size. You can see how gooey that Karo syrup makes the filling. Super delicious. I know you're gonna love them. I'm gonna go enjoy one of those pecan pies. Keep watching for even more pie recipes.